Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat app. So, at first open your Snapchat on your phone and tap on the profile icon on top left corner and then tap the settings option top right corner. An important thing is to create a public profile on Snapchat, you have must be your age under 18. So share that and scroll down. Here is a privacy control. Since this will be a public profile, some settings will need to be shown publicly. So change this setting like this. If you don't want anyone to see your location or don't want it to shown when you are offline, then turn off this ghost mode. Go back and go your profile, scroll down, and here will show you create public profile. So tap on this will be show you these steps. So continue. You will be sure then you create a public profile. So tap on this. So here is create a public profile. This is no information. So here is no personal information has been added here, yet you can edit your information as you wish. You can add a cover photo or edit your profile what you want. You will write there. So this is how we create a public profile on Snapchat. Hope you guys you will be easily create a public profile on Snapchat. So thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.